In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I made $775 in 7 days. And more importantly, I'm going to show you exactly how you can follow this process. And I'm going to show you step by step on how this works. Now, this is going to be one of the most valuable Clickbank videos you have ever seen online. So make sure you watch it all the way to the end so you don't miss any of this information. Now, this is a new strategy that we've been playing around with and we're in the testing stage. And I want to show you this because I think that it might interest you in making money on Clickbank. And this is like a proper strategy that you can use on the Clickbank marketplace to make affiliate marketing commissions. So let's jump into my computer and I'll show you exactly how this works step by step. Welcome back, guys. So you're going to have to excuse my voice a little bit. I've been doing a lot of training this week and I am losing it. But what I'm going to be doing is taking you through exactly how I went out there and made $700 on Clickbank in 7 days, 1 week. Now, this method will work for any type of product. So it could work for maybe you have your own product, and it can work for other affiliate marketing networks and products as well. The concept is the same. But I'm going to show you exactly how I did this, and you can follow along and see the strategy that I used, and then you can decide if you want to go and use this strategy yourself as well. So drop a like on this video, guys, because I'm going to show you some real deep stuff here and show you how I made this money. Now let's actually look at some results live so you can see. So let me do a refresh here. Now, this is actually the test account that I use. So we've got 200 here and 500 here. And then there was a little bit down here, like 20 bucks, but that's gone now. This is actually the test account that I use for my weekly trainings with my students and my YouTube videos. And I will talk about why all of these are at zero at the end of this video. I explain to you exactly why it's like that. And actually, I think that it'll help you scale this to the next level and you actually see how I run my Clickbank businesses. So the first step, if you don't know what Clickbank is, I'm going to assume a lot of you guys do. Clickbank is a marketplace where you can promote products. So you can just go to clickbank.com and you can simply sign in or sign up if you don't already have an account. And then you'll come to kind of like a page like this. Now, what you want to do then is go to the marketplace and you want to choose an offer to promote. Now, I can't tell you what are the best offers right now because I don't know myself. I go through and test a lot of them. I will leave a video below with ones that have worked for me in the past. There's like 7 of the best ones that I've made money from. But in this training, I'm going to show you the 2 that I use. So I actually use 2 different programs and you'll see how I set it up. And this is quite unique. Like there's not actually many people doing it this specific way that I know of. Some of our students might be because I do teach some of this stuff inside our training. But if I go to e-business and e-marketing, and the 12-minute affiliate is the one that I went and promoted for this particular method. And they pay you around about $80. I also promoted another product, but we'll talk about that in a second when we get to it. So the 12-minute affiliate is a product that's about affiliate marketing. So we go down here. Now, the best part about this particular product is they actually have a webinar. So you can get a custom link, where is it, to a webinar. But I didn't just send people straight to that webinar. I will actually show you and break down exactly what I did to get people to this particular offer and how I kind of pre-sold them and how we got high conversions. But you want to go for a product that has an affiliate page because there's heaps of resources that you can use, okay? So let me explain to you exactly how I got people to this offer. So the first step, and like I said, this will work with any type of offer, okay? This will work with fitness offers, make money online offers, your own product. We do this stuff with our own product as well. It works for a lot of different stuff. But the marketplace is where you find your products, and then it tells you here how much you would make on an average sale. So I think we've got like 3 sales. Let me just check. So we got 3 sales of that one, and we got 1 sale of the other one that I'm going to show you with this particular method. But this explains how much you make. Now, listen very carefully because this stuff is some pretty deep, advanced stuff. And, a lot of people don't do this, and I don't really know why they still don't do this, but they should because they will make a lot more money if they do it this way. Okay? So let me explain to you exactly how I did this and how I made money quickly and it was profitable. We'll talk about how much profit later. But what I essentially did with this one is I sent people to a quiz page, okay? So let me follow you through the process. this is the quiz page that that the people first see. So if we go to here and I take you to the quiz page, this is a live quiz page that we have set up. Now, I say, are you interested in starting an online business, a business online? Have you made a commission online before? Now, it doesn't matter what one they actually choose, because for this quiz, the outcome is always the same anyway. But if you wanted to, you could send them to different places. This is Clickbank. ClickFunnels is what we use to design our funnels. So I go, I'll say no. What is your monthly goal? Like, how much money do you want to make? 500 to 1,000, 1,000, 2,000, 2,000, and 5,000. Now, we stopped at 5,000 because with Make Money Online stuff, we want it just to be realistic. Okay, so hey, do you want to make maybe $5,000 a month or $2,000 a month, not $1 million a month? You know what I mean? So I'm going to say $500 to $1,000 a month. And are you interested in starting a business online? Would you like to watch our free training? Yes, I'm interested. Then it analyzes the results and it goes, hey, free online training. The exact system used to build a business online, even if you don't have a product. And you'll notice it says free training plus free book. So I actually went out and got my ebook guy to create a book for me. This is actually the draft. So we actually got it designed and didn't have these pages on it here. But this is a book that he designed for me. So it's 33 pages. So we're giving a lot of value up front. We're giving them a free book, plus we're giving them the free training. And you might be wondering, how are they getting the free training? I'll explain that in a second. So we send them to the quiz page. We now send them to the page that I was just on, but then we actually get their email and then we send them to the webinar page, the 12-minute affiliate webinar page. So if I go like this, it will now direct us to that page. And we could get a commission here. This was just a test for our students. So we weren't actually tracking anything, but I'll talk to you about that at the end on how we're going to scale this up. But then it takes them to this page and they register. Now, the reason this is so powerful, and this is the free training, the reason this is so powerful is because there's so many steps they have to go through. By the time someone gets to this point and puts in their email, they're pretty committed to learning and potentially buying the product, okay? We want to weed out the people that are really just not interested in this. The most important part here, and I know you guys have heard me preach this a million times, is I've got them on the email list here, okay? So this is me. I collect the email. Now, the reason I say this is a new strategy is because usually we'll just do a quiz or a page to collect emails. We usually don't combine both, but it's working extremely well and it's a very good strategy that we've been testing. So we then give them the free book on day one, plus an email. This is actually the email that we send. This is the real email that we send that my email guy wrote up for me. Then on day two, we send them another email. And on day three, we send them another email. So they could potentially purchase at this point. Now, keep in mind, this was a test inside our student base. So we were not optimized or anything like that. So we are going to make quite a bit more once we scale this up, and I'll talk about that in a minute. But what's more important is once we actually sent these out, I wanted to go and look for a high ticket offer because essentially a high ticket offer is like, you get like one sale and you're going to get a high commission. So if I put in Wi-Fi here, I found a product called the Simple Wi-Fi Profits, and it paid out on average, let me just get rid of this. It paid out on average $425. And all you need is like one sale to make up a huge amount of your commissions, okay? And that's another thing I want to talk about. You want to go for products that have retargeting campaigns. So maybe try and contact the vendor and say, hey, are you doing retargeting campaigns on Facebook and stuff? The 12-minute affiliate is, and I suspect that that's probably where this sale came from. So just contact them and ask them, are they doing retargeting advertising on Facebook and Google and stuff like that? You 100% want to go for a product that is doing retargeting because you will get a huge amount of sales from that. You still make money from people clicking on that retargeting ad and buying because it's still cookied as your affiliate link. Okay, so that's another thing that I did forget to mention. Make sure they're running retargeting ads. So what I basically did is after the 3 days, the Wi-Fi profits is like $1,497, right? So I just put in 2 emails on day 4 and day 5. This is just a 12-minute affiliate ones for the example. So day 4 and day 5, I put in 2 more emails, and that's how I made the $500 extra, or the 555, whatever it was, from that Wi-Fi profits. Now, the Wi-Fi profits is actually another product that is a free webinar. So that's a pitch that you can use once again. Hey, I've got a free webinar here for you. You can come and check it out. And this is it here. So this is the second product that I promoted. Now, what you might be asking is, how did I actually get traffic to this? So the good thing about having such a good system set up like this is you're pre-qualifying the people to actually make a purchase, right? You're taking them through those steps. They're pretty much probably big chance they're going to buy. You're kind of weeding out the leeches, and you've got the people that are serious about starting an online business. Now, the best place that I've found to get traffic for this, guys, is simply go and, now, this is not the keyword I used, okay? I want to stress this, guys, because a lot of people will take my training literally. I'm not going to give out keywords in my free YouTube videos that I've been using, because I'm going to create myself competition. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. But we used a similar keyword to this. But I mean, people will be able to figure it out. It's not hard. But what we did is we went and ran some advertising for this. And you'll see that there's people out here running advertising for this particular product. Now, I do want to stress that you should always check the terms and conditions with the affiliate, because some of them will not let you run ads on their keywords. Now, we'll check these out. So this is actually their page. Here's another one here where they're collecting an email like we were. Here's another one here where they've done like a bit of an article. And then here's his site as well. What you want to be doing is you really want to be at the top. Like, you can actually see that advertising is taken up like probably 85 to 90%, like 90% of this page right here is taken up with advertising. And most people are really never going to scroll down because they just don't care. And Google has actually made it very hard for people to spot ads now. It used to be like a green thing here, but now it just says ad. Because Google wants people to click on the ads. They would rather people click on the ads instead of scrolling down, because that's how they make money. So let me just show you how to set this up really quickly. I will have a full tutorial in my description on how to do Google Ads, because this is not a video about how to do Google Ads, and I have lots of other videos on my channel about that with Clickbank. I'm just showing you how I made money with this particular product. And what I want to do is I just want to take you through this quickly one more time so you understand how this works, okay? We send people to the page. They do some questions. We found that 3 questions were the best. We are going to test some more. Put in the email. The email goes onto our email list, and then they go to this product, and we can continue to promote. And bear in mind that the person that owns this product will also be emailing them as well. So they'll also be getting his emails. So they'll be getting heaps of emails, and it takes a while for people to make a purchase. It can take like 7 days, maybe 4 or 5 days, maybe even 2 months. We've had people purchase things 2 months later on our own products. The first thing you got to do is obviously have a page set up of some sort of funnel, right? So this would be the link that I'll be sending traffic to. And then I would be going to Google traffic. So this is in my Google ad account. I would go new campaign, and I would go to, I think with this one, we just did website traffic. Oh no, sorry, we did leads. But for this example, I'll just pick website traffic, and you want to do a search campaign. I'll quickly run it through you, but I do have a tutorial below on how you can do this. I'm going to put my business website in here, which would be this. And I'm going to throw that in here and go to continue. Now, there's a few things you want to take off, and one is definitely display network. Now, some people say take off search network. I don't have any issue with it, but some people do say take it off, so maybe you want to take it off. That's some other thing that Google runs. I'm not going to do the countries for this example, because you can check out in the description for how to do that. And we were running this on just a few dollars per day. So I'm just going to put $30 per day for now. And I'll talk to you about scaling and stuff in a minute. And I'm going to actually do clicks, not conversions. And I'm going to scroll down and go to save and continue. Now, the keywords are the most important part, okay? Now, what I recommend you would do is just, you could obviously run it to this one. We didn't do this one. We done a more generic affiliate marketing keyword. Think like affiliate marketing training, things like that. Hint, hint. But just put in 12 minutes affiliate, or 12 minutes affiliate training. But you also want to put a phrase match on it. So these at the end. Otherwise, it's going to show up for a lot of stuff that doesn't really matter. So your ad is going to show up specifically for 12-minute affiliate, which is extremely targeted. And more importantly, most of the people that are searching this keyword have already seen the webinar anyway. So they're pretty warm. So the chances of them are purchasing via your link are probably pretty good. Plus you'll get their email. Okay. So yeah. And then you just want to go to save and continue. Now, like I said, disclaimer, keyword research is up to you. Please don't take my examples literally. These are just examples. I have not tested these specific keywords myself. We are testing more generic affiliate marketing keywords, like things like affiliate marketing training and stuff like that, okay? It's up to you to test keywords. I have no idea what keywords are going to work for you. It's completely up to you. The reason I'm saying this is because I did a video a few weeks ago and I put in some example advertising text and I put in some example images and I literally see people using those right now. They were examples. I've not tested those specifically. So just be wary that you will need to test keywords. We are actually in the testing phase with this product, and I'll tell you how we're going to take it to the next level in a second. Then you just do your ad text. So I would just do something similar to this. What we do, I'll tell you what I did real quick. Revealed free training online plus free book today. This is what we did, similar, plus free book today. Revealed free online training plus free book today. Start affiliate marketing. That's what we did. As simple as that. And then you just fill in the details here, like the description, which could be whatever you want. Just do something similar. So looking to get the 12-minute affiliate, want to know more about sales funnels, get the 12-minute affiliate. Just go and don't copy what's here, but write your own version of what's there because that's already working. Okay? And then you simply go save and continue. And you can run these little ads on Google and get people to click and get them to go through this series of events and give us their email so we can go out and promote emails to make money. But the key thing here, guys, this is very, very important. You need to have a high ticket product in the emails because this is going to basically cover all of your ad cost. All you need is one sale and you're in the profit. We spent around about $200 to $300 on this and we made $700. And we got over that profit line because we had this one high ticket product in the back end. I still see people not doing this and it's very, very important. Okay. Now, the reason you don't see any more sales in here is simple. What we do is we actually use this account for testing only and for tutorials for YouTube and our students. Our real account we don't show because we are doing so much stuff on there and I just can't be bothered blanking stuff out. So what we do now is simple. I know that my keywords work, we made a profit. So I optimize my pages, I do better keyword research, I add more emails, I transfer to my other Clickbank account, which is extremely easy. All I do is I change it in ClickFunnels. It takes me like literally 5 seconds. Then I set up custom tracking. Then I give it to my ad team to run ads. So I make sure, so I've tested it, I know that I can get sales. I optimize everything, I get everything ready. Then I send it off to my ad team and I know that that converts and they scale it up for me and I can focus on my other businesses or other Clickbank stuff. That's how I run my businesses. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm actually going to hopefully follow along with this in the next coming months or weeks or whatever. And I'll kind of give an update of what's happening and we'll do like a bit of a case study on this particular method that we're doing. It's extremely cool. And maybe I'll do another video where I give away my pages for you guys to use. So I hope that helps you understand how to make money on Clickbank. If you want some more videos about Clickbank, I will leave some on the right that will take you through step by step on how to make money with Clickbank. And I'll leave a playlist that shows you how to do full affiliate marketing. Leave a comment below, hit subscribe. If you have any questions, leave that comment and I'll see you in the next video.